welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I've got something really exciting to share with you. So grab a coffee, sit back and relax while I walk you through this cool piece of tech. And hey, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, judging by the thumbnail, you already know what this video is about. And if you're still watching, then trust me, you're in the right place. We are going to dive into this cool looking printer and see exactly what it has to offer. I may not have all the resources, but what I do have, I make the most of it to bring you genuine everyday experiences. Nothing's over the top, just keeping things chill, relatable and enjoyable while I share my thoughts with you. So this right here is a Brother printer packed with an impressive range of features designed for both office users and everyday home users. It's not just about printing documents, it also supports scanning, copying and even wireless printing directly from a phone, tablet or laptop thanks to Wi-Fi connectivity. Now inside the box we have got some basic but essential accessories, so let's unpack them one by one. First up, there's a cleaning kit tool which is used for unclogging and wiping the nozzles to restore print quality, super useful for maintenance. Next we have a USB connector for direct connection to a desktop or laptop, which I'll show you later in the video. You also get the usual paperwork, some documentations, a warranty card and even a driver disc, though this particular model doesn't really require it, but still is a good thing to have it. Moving on, we've got the ink bottles. Each one comes with the original Brother branding, so you can be sure the print quality will stay top notch. For long-term performance, the best results, it's best to stick with genuine inks. There is also a power adapter which surprisingly feels very premium in quality compared to older models. Let's set all this aside for now and focus on the main content. At first glance, I honestly thought this printer would be bulkier, especially since it comes with a digital display and plenty of features. But to my surprise, it's actually smaller, lighter and more compact than my old printer. And thanks to its wireless connectivity, I don't even have to keep it fixed in one corner. I can literally place it anywhere in the house and print with just a click. How convenient is that? So the ink tanks are located right at the front, which makes refilling super easy. Its tank is labeled clearly according to its color, which helps prevent mistakes. Trust me, mixing them up can be a disaster. And the paper tray is placed at the bottom. You can slide it halfway or fully depending on the paper size you're using, whether it's A4, legal or smaller sheets. Alright, let's fill up the tanks and adjust the settings and power this on. On the top panel we have a guide sticker. It's not just a decoration, but it's actually a quick reference for troubleshooting and maintenance. It will definitely come in handy in the future. After adjusting the date and time settings, the printer automatically runs a print quality check. This shows whether there are any gaps or missing lines. So, in my case, everything looks perfect, no issues at all. Let me taste a few more samples just to be sure. And yes, everything seems to be fine. Now let's move on to the exciting part, that is the wireless connectivity. I've got two apps installed in my phone, that is the iPrint and Scan and Mobile Connect. Let's try them out. The iPrint and Scan app took a little more time to set up, honestly a bit of a hassle, but once connected it stays stable and gives a ton of printing options, and the results is absolutely amazing. It's sharp, vibrant and detailed. With a proper photo paper the results would be even better. So let's test a few more prints on my other device. On my iPad, I installed the Brother Mobile Connect app. Between the two, this one connected almost instantly. No hassle at all. Just a few taps and it was ready to print. I love how smooth that was. Check this out. The print looks absolutely amazing. This one deserves a frame. I am definitely hanging it in my bedroom. Now onto my old laptop. Surprisingly, I didn't even need to install any drivers. All I did was go to the settings, printers and scanners, and then add a printer, and boom, it appears right away. After connecting, I just selected the documents, tweaked a few settings, and hit print. It's that simple. What's even cooler is that you can do the same from your phone or tablet without any app installation. Just connect over Wi-Fi and print directly. It's super convenient. looking at the overall quality, I'm honestly impressed. The prints are clear, the color pops, and for its size, the printer really delivers. I'm already thinking about printing a bunch of my favorite photos and framing them around the house. So that is it for today's video. This Brother printer definitely exceeded my expectations. It's compact, reliable, and the wireless features makes everyday printing so much easier. Whether you're a student, working from home, or just need a solid printer for family use, this one checks all the boxes. So if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a like, drop a comment down below with your thoughts or questions, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got more tech reviews and real world experience coming your way, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.